In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pooled staking on MetaMask. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each screen means, and a few practical tips to help you stake confidently. Pooled staking lets you participate in Ethereum staking with less than the full validator amount and without running your own hardware. Your ETH is combined with others, and rewards are distributed proportionally. MetaMask's portfolio site provides a clean, guided flow for this, and we'll walk through it together. Start by opening the MetaMask portfolio site in your browser. Make sure your wallet is unlocked and that you have some ETH in the same account you plan to stake with. It's also smart to keep a small buffer of ETH for gas fees, since every on-chain action requires a little extra to process the transaction. On the portfolio homepage, look for the Move Crypto option. Click it to open a menu of actions you can take with your funds. This is where MetaMask groups key features like swaps, bridges, and for today, staking. From there, choose Stake. This takes you to the staking hub, where the interface focuses the flow so you can commit funds with clarity. If you're new to staking, remember that you're delegating to a pooled validator service. You still hold exposure to ETH price movements and rewards accrue over time. Next, select Stake ETH. This option is specifically for pooled staking on Ethereum, meaning you don't need the full validator amount. You're simply contributing the amount that works for you into a shared pool. Enter the amount of ETH you want to stake. Double check that you're leaving enough ETH in your wallet to cover gas. If you're unsure how much to leave, err on the side of a little extra. Gas can fluctuate with network activity. Before you proceed, review the staking info panel carefully. Look at the estimated reward rate, any service or protocol fees, details about how rewards are accrued or compounded, and notes about slashing risk and withdrawal timelines. Some pooled services include waiting periods or queues for unstaking, so it's important to understand how redemptions work. When everything looks right, click Confirm. Your MetaMask window will prompt you to approve the transaction. Review the contract interaction and gas fee one more time, then confirm to submit. After a short wait for network confirmation, you should see your staked position reflected in the portfolio interface. That's all there is to it. Keep an eye on your staking dashboard for rewards and status, and remember to revisit the info panel anytime you want a refresher on fees and timelines.